So guys, it's right now I'm short selling M&M now in the market level around 1260 levels. So let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so this is the stock what I selected yesterday for today's trading. Okay, so we are trading according to the same levels what I said yesterday. Okay, so I have drawn the maximum resistance and the support level. So as the stock is approaching near to our support level, that's why I've taken a short sell. So if it was going up and if was touching the resistance level, then it would have been a buy. But you can see here the first 5 minutes candle is a lot of sellers, and there's a wick also towards the selling side. And for the candle high, there is no much of a movement in there, so that's why I selected short sell. And also you can see the market is coming down. Yes, yesterday also I said you that the market might be bearish for us tomorrow. Okay, so I said that it would touch 18,800 and come down, but yes, in the morning itself, well, opening it touched 18,750 somewhere around there, spike, and it is coming down again. So yes, that's why I've taken a short sell entry here. So let's see how the stock will perform. Plan to take like 67 points target and exit in M&M, which is above 0.5%. Okay, so as the stock price is 1260 plus, our 1% target will be 12 rupees, so half of that will be 6, but I'm aiming to get like 7 to 8 points, which is above 0.5%. Okay, so yes, let's see how the stock will perform. We are in a short sell position of M&M, and right now the stock has made a low of 1257.30. Okay, and the stock is still at the levels where I have short sold. Okay, so let's see how the stock will perform, and I'll show you my exit and everything once the trade is done. So until that, you can see the live trade, how the stock will perform. Okay, and before that, if you're new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses or want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. I'll teach you the simple skill to make consistent profit, no indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support and live market guidance also. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also, I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to the trading. As you guys can see, the stock is trying to make the new low here, and the market has come down here 0.14 minus 0.14. And yes, the stock is trading near to 1257 now, if you guys can see. So yes, the low has been made, so I'm guessing that the stock can at least touch till 1250. Okay, so you can see when the market has also come down minus 20% down now. So I am guessing that the stock can touch almost 1250, and from there it can come bounce back because that's the first support level. Okay, so you can see here 1255.90 is a new low what it has made, and also the market is also coming down. You can see nifty 50 chart also in between. So guys, here is the nifty 50 chart, and here is our M&M chart. So yes, let's wait for it. So 1257 now, the low made is 1255.90. So let's wait for the stock to go a bit much to the lower side. So yes, it's working according to our levels itself. So let's see. It is in between our levels, so that's why I've taken a sell side. So I know that maximum it can go down is still 1250 somewhere around there, and from there it can take a support also. So even the market is bearish and our stock is also bearish, so that's why I've taken a sell entry and I'm holding the sell position. So you can see here the stock is bit to the upper side now. Again, it's trying to touch 1260. So it has come down till 1255 almost, and now it's going back again. So not sure, but yeah, I think the market is down and the sellers will come and push it. So let's wait for it. You can see market depth, a bit of a buyers are more when compared to sellers, but it's okay. We'll wait for it because the market trend is also down and we are holding the short sell position. Okay. So guys, yes, it's coming to 1255 now. Yes, the new low will be almost made now, I guess. So let's wait for it. Okay. 126, 1256. So it's still there. So it's almost close to making a new low now. Let's wait for some time and see how it will perform. So 1257 again. So guys, anyways, let's wait now, and once I take my exit I'll update you guys. And before that, if you guys wish to get live market guidance from me and want to learn and how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and getting in touch with me. So I'll be guiding you personally and also the live market guidance, and also the same trade what I take I'll be updating you guys. Okay, so yes, the new low has been made now, 1253.90. So almost we're getting our target of almost 6 to 7 points here. So anyways guys, I'll just quickly take my exit and I'll update you guys about the position. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So guys, yes, if you guys can see, the stock as middle of 1252.60, I short sold around 1260 if you guys see. Okay, so yes, almost 8 points down. So I just took my exit somewhere over here now, and this was the profit what I was able to book in the today's trade of M&M. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn all the techniques of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.